Hey everybody, this is JD Vay from the Hoppy Industries down in Troop, Texas, coming to you with another product launch. You know, we've been in power sports for 30 years. We do a lot with Honda. We've had a lot of Honda dealers continue to wear us out for stuff. So we came out with the Pioneer 1005 audio shade in the fall. Excited to bring you our newest audio shade from Hoppy Industries for the Honda Talon 2-door. This thing is amazing. We do love the Honda Talon, shaft drive, the performance of it, Honda quality. So this is just a fun unit altogether. We already have a Mini for it and they've been a big seller for us. So now we got the audio shade and we've had a lot of people asking for them, so here they are. As always, with all audio shades, we have kicker audio power everywhere. We design everything here at Hoppy. We design it to fit with the OEM components, the windshields, the roof, frame. It just sets right on here. You run one set of cords right here down and it goes down to the battery. And then we also have an ignition source, plug and play right there. So the radio turns on and off with the ignition. So you don't have to worry about forgetting to leave your radio on, but you can just control it that way. The light bars are hot all the time, so you just hit the switches right here and you can control those on and off for your front and your rear light bar. We design everything to be efficient. We want lightweight so you can get performance, but we want the sound quality that you deserve. And with all of our kicker audio components combined with how we design it and package it, it provides maximum sound to the riders right here. Crystal clear sound. We have 8 6.5 inch as an option here, and we have one 10-inch sub. So we got a 300 watt amp pushing the 6.5, so 2, 4, 6, and 8. And then you've got the 10-inch sub right here. All the amps are under the cover plate right here. That's about the only area that's vented. The sub cavity is real sealed, so that's why we're able to get the depth of sound. People always want to know, well, what does it sound like? Well, you're not going to be able to tell this by your phone or tablet or your computer, whatever you're watching this on. I can't get that sound to you. You're gonna have to hear it in real life and you have to listen to it. The sound quality that we provide is second to none. The depth of it, the clarity, the bass, the way you're able to do it. The other part is with our KMC2 head unit that's right here, not only is it a Bluetooth player so you can stream your favorite music, it has AM, FM, it also has a full EQ, so you can adjust the sound treble based on it, whether you're listening to country, to rap, to classic rock, whatever it is that you're gonna wanna listen to. You can really fully customize the sound exactly how you want it to right here. You got 9 speakers all within about 4 or 5 square feet right here. Maximum sound right here to you, so you get to hear it, no distortion, crank it up, it's crystal clear. Again, with everything with Hoppy, the best thing to do is get to hear it. We're fairly newer to the industry and we're growing rapidly and we're adding new dealers and new customers all the time. And the constant thing is, once they do it, they hear it in person and they're very satisfied, and all of our customers love it. We really want you to hear one, so get to a dealer, find a buddy, whatever you can do to get to hear one in person. And if you're kind of on the fence, we feel very strongly that that's going to be what sets it over. I mean, that's really what it is. Fit, finish, quality, everything about our product is quality. It's all built right here in Texas. We assemble it, manufacture it, wire it, design it, everything right here in East Texas, supporting everything we do here with our jobs and all of our people. And we're passionate about the power sports industry. We love to do what we do. These are a lot of fun. I mean, they're giant toys. This one's got a little mud on it because it was a little fun just even getting out here to film. We got a lot of new things coming. This is going to be an exciting year for our Hoppy line of product. We've got new audio shades coming for a whole lot of new models that are right here. We're going to make several of these back to back to back. We've got new minis coming. We've got some new products scheduled for the fall. We ask that you just continue to watch on our website at hoppyindustries.com. Watch all of our social media pages. We update there frequently. Have dealers all over. Availability through Western Power Sports, Parts Unlimited, all of our own line of dealers. You can go right to our website and find out more information. We're very grateful that you continue to watch. We thank you for checking out our products. We love the Honda Talon. Excited about the roof. Got the 2-door done. 4 doors on its way. For those KRX fans that are out there and Razor Pro fans and several other models, we're right behind it with all of them. So you're going to be seeing a lot of me. So continue to watch. Check us out. Thanks for paying attention to what we do.